In the Payment Central screen, there are a few functions that assist the user. There is a summary report that shows a log of what was done during the batch. The entirety of the Deliveries and Charges section can be printed or exported to Excel. We have discussed the full collapse function in the Payments and Credits section, and the Find fields search all columns in a given section. So first, the summary report. Here in the top right, you'll see the link to the summary report, which shows exactly what you have performed within your batch. You can see we applied payments, we did a write-off, we did a miscellaneous charge, we bounced a check, we voided. This can either be printed or exported to Excel. The Deliveries, Charges, and Credits screen can also be printed or exported to Excel. It is definitely more helpful in instances for chains, such as this Bevmo Corp, that has a number of entries in here. You can then print or export this entire field like so. You can see that it shows all the columns. If you export it to Excel, you are able to manipulate those columns how you see fit. When you enter something into this find field, a string of numbers or a word, it will search the customer name, the document field, the amount field, and the after batch field. So if I want to see just checks, I type check in the find field and it limits what I see in the payments, credits, and charges to just checks. If I have a particular invoice number in mind, or perhaps I don't have an entire invoice number. If I just know the invoice contains 147, I type in 147 and it will show me all the entries that have 147 in them. If I just want to see amounts of maybe $200, I type in 200 and a decimal point, and that limits the search to just anything with 200 and the decimal point, which will generally correspond to the amounts in the amount field and the after batch field. So this ability is also in the Deliveries, Charges, and Credits find field as well. And once again, with all the changes that we've made in this batch, nothing will be on the live environment until we hit the post batch button. Once we do that, all the changes that we've made, all the reversals, all the applies, all the new payments we've entered, those will go into operation. That concludes the tutorial on Payment Central. If you have any questions or are in need of clarifications, you can refer to the eoStar wiki for Payment Central, or you can call us here at Rutherford, the number 877-477-9977, or email the support team at support@eostar.com. Thank you.